Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This next tip is for kids who are seeking a good deal of oral stimulation. One of the easiest tricks to providing oral stimulation, as well as working on a very good activity of daily living, is toothbrushing. In particular, if you're using an electric toothbrush, you can provide an added stimulation that really helps target the mouth, as well as, of course, clean the teeth. So if you haven't tried it, it's a great item to purchase to add to your sensory diet. So if you do have a child seeking high amounts of oral input, give this a try and try to do it frequently after meals, after snacks, so that way they're getting a good burst of sensory feedback throughout their day.